How to fix a blurry jewelry photo with AI. A blurry or badly lit or low contrast photo like this one doesn't need to be reshot. I'll show you how to fix it and get professionally retouched beautiful jewelry photo in one click using NeuroViz Retoucher AI. Once you load AI Studio, select Rescue. We have three types: Precision, Vivid, and Rescue. In this video, I'll show you how to use Rescue. Retouch Gemstones is on, rest not needed. Select, I usually use high output quality, and this is the best. And you can choose any resolution, but let's set for catalogs 1 megapixel is fine. That's it. You just click, and after validation, it will do a magic. As you can see, it's perfectly retouched and it's super sharp and placed on a white background. If you want to control framing, please use framing crop control, where you can set exact number of percentage around the subject to be placed on the frame. A Rescue retoucher can do magic with really bad quality photo. For example, a photo like this, it's super badly lit, it's blurry on bad background, doesn't have enough lighting, and it's super bad. Let's just run it. Here we go. Perfectly lit, retouched jewelry, all in focus. Load neuroviz.ai, get free 80 credits and try it yourself.